In this video, you learn to let go with trust and nonetheless be filled with strength. Only he who can let go unconditionally can be filled with joy by that which comes towards him. Stand upright and relaxed, perceive into your body so that it feels itself comfortable and straightens up by itself. Reach up with your hands and feel into your fingers, so that when you pull them apart, you have the feeling you are opening a curtain up there, so that the stars become visible. If you look up inwardly and perceive your body at the same time, then take care that you remain in contact to the ground. Now you let the arms flow down on the left and right, with the feeling as if all the stars are coming with. In letting the arms stream down, perceive the space behind. Feel the kidneys and open the zone towards the back. Relax the diaphragm and stream further into the earth. Carefully opening, connecting to the starry world, inwardly accompanying the downward movement. Relax the diaphragm, relax the pelvis, relax the knees, feel the soles of the feet. Then you can stream deep down into the earth. Perhaps you noticed that when I was trying to stream into the depths, the body gently straightened itself. This you can do inwardly and then right up to the heart. Or by allowing the hands to accompany the inward movement, going up, and it may be that you notice that the stream up to the heart doesn't wish to come to rest, but that it wants to pour forth into the world. Repeating the sequence again, streaming through the fingers above, opening up the heavens far above you and completely connecting yourself with this space, keeping the contact to the ground. Perceive the space behind and stream down, feeling the zone of the kidneys, opening the space, relaxing the diaphragm, streaming deep down into the earth, opening the pelvis, the soles of the feet, waiting a little till the countercurrent starts. Feel how the heart is filled and how this stream flows forwards. The lungs are refreshed and strengthened, and the whole body feels strengthened. In principle, this way of experiencing the R contains the meditative process of the Tao.